Look at a highly polished, expensive video ad, and you will usually see a campaign built to generate views. But views do not pay the bills. If a video racks up 50,000 impressions without filling your pipeline with qualified leads, your marketing is spinning its wheels. The gap between an ad that bleeds money and one that actually builds your business comes down to a handful of specific structural decisions. You make those decisions before you ever hit record, not in the editing bay. Today, we are going to build a live 3-hook split test campaign from scratch. We will automate the lead follow-up, and we will do it all for under $500, using nothing but a smartphone. Attention without a clear conversion mechanism is background noise. You have to build a structurally optimized campaign to turn those eyeballs into actual revenue. Step 1 happens right at your desk. Every high-converting direct response video relies on a structural blueprint called the PAS-CTA framework. PAS-CTA stands for Problem, Agitate, Solve, and Call to Action. A feed ad script follows a strict 15-second timeline. 3 seconds on the problem, 5 agitating it, 4 on the solution, and 3 for the call to action. Next, attach 3 distinct 3-second hooks to the front: pain point, social proof, and controversy. When you reach the solve portion of that script, sell the outcome, not the feature. No one wakes up wanting an AI-powered automation tool. They want 10 qualified leads in their inbox before their coffee gets cold. Now we pivot to production. Take your script and shoot all 3 variations using only your smartphone and natural lighting. Do not use cinema cameras or studio lighting for this. Highly polished visuals look like advertisements, and people automatically scroll past advertisements. You want to create user-generated content, or UGC, which means video shot to look like a normal social media post. If you want to skip the filming process entirely, you can use a direct response service like AdsBabe. You give them your offer, and they will write the scripts, source the footage, and deliver 3 ready-to-launch hook variations in 72 hours. Native-looking UGC-style video bypasses a viewer's natural defense mechanisms. It earns their trust because it looks exactly like the content their friends are posting. With your video files ready, open Meta Ads Manager. Your primary capture mechanism should be instant forms. Instant forms are native lead forms that pop up directly inside the Facebook or Instagram app. Sending traffic to an external landing page creates severe leakage. Every second of load time and distraction creates friction that causes leads to drop off. Instant forms solve this by automatically pulling the user's profile data, like their name and email, directly into the fields. With 0 typing required, these native forms increase lead volume dramatically. To maintain lead quality, add a single custom qualifying question to that form. Asking a user to type in their timeline or specific budget filters out low-intent users before they reach your sales team. This diagram illustrates the optimal campaign architecture. Place all 3 of your video hook variations into a single ad set. This structure forces Meta's algorithm to test the videos against each other to see which one viewers actually engage with. Set your testing budget to $20 to $30 per day per creative variation. This buys enough data to make a confident decision. Any required keystroke or external load time kills your conversion rate. Native forms keep users inside the app's ecosystem, guaranteeing maximum efficiency for your ad spend. Before you publish, check your button text. The default Learn More button in Meta is a passive trap that lowers user intent. Change that button text to an active, specific command that matches your video's offer exactly, like get your free quote or download the guide. Now we address speed to lead. This is the invisible bottleneck where most generated leads actually die. This chart shows the conversion probability of a new lead over time. A prospect contacted within 5 minutes is 21 times more likely to convert than a prospect contacted after 30 minutes. Don't manually check Ads Manager. Use a CRM or Zapier to route data instantly. Set up an automated reply that fires the exact second the form is submitted. This keeps you top of mind and buys your sales team critical minutes. If a lead turns cold while waiting for a manual email the next morning, your highly optimized ad campaign is effectively worthless. The lead follow-up has to be immediate. Hit publish. Now, implement a strict waiting period. Let the campaign run for 5 days, or until it hits 1,000 impressions, before you touch anything. Evaluate the split test by checking the ThruPlay rate and the cost per lead. ThruPlay is Meta's metric tracking how many people watched at least 15 seconds of your video. Identify the video with the highest ThruPlay rate and the lowest cost. Scale the budget on that winning hook and immediately turn off the losing variations. You have now built the 4 core pillars of lead generation: raw UGC video, frictionless native forms, active calls to action, and instant automated follow-up. Dominating lead generation does not require a massive production budget. By systematically testing psychological variables and building a structure that respects the speed of the modern consumer, you create a machine that actually grows your business.